Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to build our very first page using RedwoodJS. By the end of this short tutorial, you will have a lifestyle page journey with just a few commands. Let's get started. First, open up your terminal and run this command. This one-liner does a lot. Redwood automatically creates a React page component, wire up the routing, and set up other files like a testing file and a storybook story for UI preview. Now, if we check out our pages folder, we can see the homepage folder. So if we go to homepage, so you can see the homepage folder. So this is the main page where we can edit our content. Other files include the storybook page and the testing file. Now, let's look at the routing. Redwood automatically added a line to our route file. If we go to our route file and we can see the route to the home page, and this symbol means your new page is already accessible at the root URL. No manual import, no extra setup, just refresh your browser and it's there. So if we press save and go back to our browser, we can see the home page at our root URL. Now let's customize the content. So if we go to our home page and let's delete this section, we can add something new here. Let's say welcome to my home page. If I press save and go back to our browser, we can see the updated H1 tag. But if you want to add some styling here, we can do that too. Right now, I'm using Tailwind CSS. If you want to import Tailwind CSS into your project, just add this command. This command will help you to import the Tailwind CSS in your project. You don't have to do anything. This will automatically create the Tailwind in your project. So now let's add some CSS. I'm going to add text5xl to the H1 tag. We have to define the class text 5xl. Also, we can do font semi-bold. If I press save and go back to my server, we can see the customized design for our H1 tag. And there you have it, your first page built with RedwoodJS. Let's do a quick recap. We created a fully functional page using just one command. We saw our page routed and ready at the root URL, applied clean responsive styling using Tailwind CSS, and customized our page kit. So if you like the video, please subscribe and drop a comment. Thank you.